And tell me again how $2 worth of plants was an $80 checkout bill?
$41 worth of wheels.
Oh, I'll save the dirt in the bottom of this old one.
Ooh.
Floofy. Since that's down there where the roots will never hit anyway, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Okay, now to get the new dirt. We probably didn't even need to buy dirt today.
Probably not.
I would say that's a big correct.
Well, we can put it in the garage and we'll be able to use it.
Because I still need to redo that pot, so. My begonias.
Look, we're not overpacking it this time.
So just 3 of them in a triangle. Break the roots up so they can all pack back out again. Not really a lot of roots around the sides.
All of these are begonias. The price on the side of the containers say $178, but they were on sale for 88 cents. So this combined planter, oh man, I think that it's about to go off. But the battery.
Of course.
Look, we have recorded like 2 hours of footage today, so.
I'm pretty much done. I just gotta water it and we're done.
Okay.
Ta-da! Hopefully those are triangular and symmetrical and.
I think it's good.
Yeah, I need to drill holes in the bottom of these like I've drilled in all the other ones so the water will drain out. Then we'll put these over in a shady spot and she be done.
It took longer to pick them out than it did to
Plant them.
plant them.
It's probably good enough with all the rain we got coming in.
Okay.
And project done.